Ever felt stuck just trying to get your website up and running? You're not alone. In this video, we're going to make your life easier by learning how to install Vite, one of the most popular and modern front-end build tools, and Tailwind CSS, the utility-first CSS framework developers swear by for rapid UI development. So, without wasting time, let's get started. For installation of Vite, run npm create Vite at latest. Then it will ask you a couple of questions. Here we will go with React. Next, you can select JavaScript or TypeScript. We will select JavaScript. After that, run the command npm install, and then npm run dev, and visit the localhost 5173. And we have completed our Vite installation. Moving ahead with installation and setup of Tailwind CSS. In your VS Code, run the command npm install Tailwind CSS at tailwindcss/Vite. After packages are installed, navigate to vconfig and add the Tailwind CSS plugin. Also, do not forget to import Tailwind CSS there. Next, in index.css file, delete all existing code and import Tailwind CSS. Then, in app.jsx file, create a simple arrow function. In it, create a div and h1 tag and try giving some basic styling to it to check if Tailwind is working properly. And we have successfully installed Vite and Tailwind CSS. If you like the video, do hit like button and subscribe to Innovative Stack.